Want to learn how to use Mailchimp's RSS to email feature? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover how to automatically send new content from your blog or website to your subscribers without lifting a finger. This powerful tool can save you tons of time, increase engagement, and keep your audience up to date with minimal effort. Before we dive into it, make sure you check the first link in the description for an exclusive offer that gives you access to Mailchimp for free, plus some cool bonuses. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, let's get started. First, what is Mailchimp's RSS to email feature? This feature allows you to automatically send new posts from your blog or website to your subscribers as soon as they're published. Whether you're running a personal blog or a business site, it's a great way to keep your audience engaged with fresh content without doing anything extra. The next thing you'll need to do is connect your RSS feed to Mailchimp. Most websites and blogs have an RSS feed set up already, but if you're not sure, you can usually find it by adding /feed to your website URL. Once you've got that, head over to Mailchimp, log into your account, and create a new campaign. Choose RSS campaign from the campaign options. The third thing, once you've chosen the RSS campaign, is to enter your feed URL into the campaign setup. Mailchimp will then automatically pull in your RSS feed's content to send to your email list. Make sure your feed URL is correct to avoid any errors, and test the link before moving forward. Next, you'll want to design your email. Mailchimp has pre-made templates that are great for this, or you can customize it with your own brand colors, logo, and content layout. It's simple to set up, and you don't need to be a design expert to make it look great. The fourth thing to consider is how often you want your RSS emails to be sent. You can choose a frequency that works best for your audience, whether it's daily, weekly, or every month. Mailchimp gives you complete control over timing, so you can ensure your emails land in inboxes at the perfect time. Next, you can add personalization to your emails to make them stand out. For example, you can address the recipient by their first name, which can boost open rates. You can also include dynamic content based on what your subscribers are most interested in. It's a great way to make your emails feel more personal and relevant. The final thing to keep in mind is testing and reviewing your emails. Before sending out your first RSS to email campaign, always preview your email, test how it looks on different devices, and check that the links work properly. Once you're happy with the look and feel, you can schedule it, and Mailchimp will take care of the rest. And remember, as I mentioned at the start, you can use Mailchimp completely free by clicking the first link below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses to help you make the most out of your account. That's it for how to use Mailchimp's RSS to email feature. It's a great way to save time and keep your audience engaged. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial and bonuses we've linked in the description.